Okay, so now we're going to start talking about powers of numbers, powers of signed numbers. So in this section, I'm going to go over a couple of things. Then the next video I'm going to do the rules, but I want to show you some quick examples of what we mean when we're dealing with signed numbers, because it matters and students make mistakes, so pay careful attention to this. So what does it mean to have power? Okay, so let me write another one down here. Like so. Okay, so I've written this 4 different ways. Okay, so here I've got 4 raised to the second power. I've got parentheses here, right? So what does this mean? It means that I'm taking the number 4 and I'm multiplying it by itself as many times as the exponent tells me. So this is the exponent, right? So that tells me how many factors of 4 I have. So, in other words, if I have a to the n power, well, this is saying I'm going to do a times a times a times a, how many times? N times. Okay, so I have n factors of a. That's what the power, that's what the exponent means, right? So that's the idea of a power, okay? So now, this 4 squared means I'm multiplying 4 times 4. So I have 2 factors of 4. So that gives me 16. Now, again, so if I apply the same definition to here, well, what does this mean? Well, I'm taking negative 4, I'm squaring it, which means I'm taking negative 4 times negative 4. So again, a negative times a negative is positive. And this is going to be 16. Okay? Now, what about this? Well, there's no parentheses here. So if there's no parentheses, the exponent goes with the 4, which is the base. So these are called the base. Here, there's no exponent. Or excuse me, sorry. There's no parentheses. So the 2 is only attached to the 4 and the sign, the negative sign, is outside of that. So in other words, what this means is I'm doing a negative of 4 squared. So I'm not squaring the negative. It's not like this up here, right? This is not the same as this. This is equal to this, which would be negative 16. Okay? And then, of course, this is the same as this. I just don't need the parentheses. So if you don't have parentheses, it's the same as this. So this is also 4 times 4, which equals positive 16. Okay? Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to put up the rules, and then we'll do some more examples. Take care.